My name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and I am the co-founder of Andesite Blue. Andesite Blue is a United Kingdom company that offers a passive income bond, a corporate passive income bond in the United Kingdom denominated in pounds, and then we invest into the emerging market of Ukraine. Ukraine Business News reports that the U.S., we had some news from Ukraine Business News, they report that the U.S. will send Switchblade 600 long-range kamikaze drones to Ukraine. The U.S. will send Switchblade 600 long-range kamikaze drones to Ukraine, according to the Pentagon spokeswoman Jessica Maxwell. A contract for developing and assembling Switchblade 600 drones by AeroVironment is expected within 30 days, and then they will be shipped to Ukraine. The U.S. has previously delivered the smaller Switchblade 300 and Phoenix Ghost drones to Ukraine's military. The Switchblade 600 can fly more than 40 kilometers and hover over a target for 40 minutes before engaging with an anti-tank warhead. The drone operator uses a tablet fire control system with a touchscreen with the ability to pilot the barrage missile manually. All of this war in Ukraine is going to require a lot of reconstruction after the war. If you would like to learn more about how you can help and earn a significant passive income by purchasing a corporate income bond focused on the rebuilding, the reconstruction of Ukraine offered by Andesite Blue, please email Benjamin Z. Miller at ben.miller@andesiteblue.co.uk or contact any of our team at www.andesiteblue.co.uk/team. I hope that helps, and good luck with your investing.